Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be unboxing this Meedens advent calendar. I thought I would do a full unboxing, so if you wanted to get yourself one, you'd be able to see everything that's inside of here. It is massive, like this is the size of my hand, so I really don't know what to expect to have in here. I haven't had a look at the listing on the website, so I really do not have a clue. So there we go. It's like getting 24 gifts in one time. Let's do the unboxing. Oh wow, look at that. It's got all the numbers. Now I'm pretty sure there's another layer to this. So there's two. These are the two packets that it comes with. So this is the day starting from day 1 to day 12, and then this is from day 13 to day 24. So I'm just gonna get straight into it, and we're gonna open up day 1, which is just, okay, got it. Oh, I think this is a travel paintbrush. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful kind of silver. Oh my goodness, it's a watercolor brush. This is incredible. So it's a travel size 10 mop brush for watercolor paintings. I do still paint sometimes with watercolor, so this is gonna be perfect for that. Okay, day 2 is a big one. So let's lift that open. Wow, watercolor postcards. That's incredible. Okay, so we have a set. Let me just see if I can get it open. Just gonna open it up. So you just kind of, and inside you get 10 watercolor postcards. That's amazing if you want to make like greeting cards. It's hot press, so it's going to be nice and smooth. Day 3. Okay, day 3 is still a big one actually. Oh, we've got oil-based colored pencils. Okay, that's incredible. So they've obviously not been sharpened, but you get a whole set in here of oil-based coloring pencils. Day 4. Okay, day 4. Let's see. Oh, we've got oil pastels. This is amazing because you're getting so many different kind of mediums of art to use and explore with without having to actually buy like entire sets. Day 5 is a little one. Let's see. Oh my God, that's so cute. There we go. This is so sweet. Oh my God. I love this. This is like a little travel watercolor set, and it's magnetic. So you can open it up and then you can clip this to your book, which is like perfect if you want to go traveling. Day 6. Oh, we've got a pack of acrylic markers. I love that. So we've got pack of really nice acrylic markers. Get a nice range of colors in there. So that's day 6. Day 7. So exciting to open it up. Oh, we have watercolor paper. We've got 100% cotton watercolor sheets. So you open it up and you get all the sheets inside of there. Like this would be so perfect to use with this because it's mini and mini, so it would be so sweet to use together. Day 8. Portable sketchbook. Oh my god, I love this. This is incredible. This just means you get to, so I'm just going to try and take that off. Okay, so we've got 60 sheets. Use this for sketching, drawing pencils, or acrylic markers. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so cool to take with you if you like sketching outside, taking inspiration. This is such a neat little notebook to get. Number 9 now. I'm trying not to destroy the whole thing. Oh, cute. A little pin. I love it. That is so sweet. I love that. I'm going to put that on my bag. That is so nice. Day 10, which is just next to it. Okay, an artist eraser. Drafting and sketching black lead pencil. Doesn't harm paper, soft and translucent. Okay, so this is really good if you want to use a rubber without damaging your paper. Day 11. I guess this is a pencil, right? Oh, it doesn't even say what it is. Okay, it's a 4B drawing pencil. So that's incredible. That would be so good to use with the notebook for drawing. And the last day on this side, day 12, a mini easel. Oh, that's so sweet. That is so cute, honestly. I would definitely use that and put my little artworks. Now moving on to the next box. We need day 13, which is this one. Oh, we have some heavy body titanium white. Yeah, this I'm going to be using straight away. Incredible. And this is a massive tube. Day 14. Let's open it up here. I don't want to ruin it. I'm trying so hard not to. Ugh. What is it? Honestly, it is not as easy as it looks. We have another watercolor paintbrush, plastic, and now we're just gonna open up to see what the brush looks like. Oh, it's inside this tube to protect it. Okay, so this is a size 1 watercolor brush. This is really, really small and dainty, but it's perfect if you're like painting on something smaller or you're working on some really fine details. I love the packaging. I think it's so secure to really protect the brush from not getting damaged. Day 15, where is that? Ah, here. Oh, what is this? Some little coasters to paint. Oh, I love this. How cute. Little wooden coasters, so you can do acrylic paint or with acrylic markers. I love these. So you get 5 of these in there. Day 16 is right next to it. Are these hair clips? No. Stop it. Are these hair clips? I think these are hair grips, but they've got paint tubes on them. So you've got acrylic, you've got watercolor, and you've got oil. Oh my God, I love these so much. Or you can use it to like hold down paper, but I would 100% use this as a hair clip. Day 17. Is it round? I don't know. Oh, it is. It's a little tea light holder. Day 18 is like our last big one. Oh, is it a tote bag? This is so cool. Look at this bag. Oh my goodness. That's an amazing tote bag. And look at those illustrations on there. That is so cool and creative. I love that. Day 19 now. These stickers. I think these are stickers, right? Oh my goodness. The same drawings that you got on the bag, you now get them in colour as stickers. Day 20. Another little clip. I guess you could just use this for anything like papers, schoolwork, anything that you wanted to kind of clip it onto. Day 21. Oh, a little tree to paint. So day 22. Oh, a little acrylic paintbrush set. That is awesome. So you get a little flat brush, a mini kind of filbert brush, a round brush, and a tiny mini fan brush. Number 23 now. Oh, we have some washi tapes that they've given us. 24, the last one. Amazing! A canvas. Little mini canvas, which I think would fit perfectly. Yeah, it does. Fits perfectly on there. How sweet is that? And that's everything that you get in this advent calendar by Meeden. I'm going to link it down below so you can go and have a look at it. I also have a code so you can get an extra coupon on there. This is a little different from what I normally do, but we'll be back to painting in the next video, so I'll see you in the next one.